So, this is New York City for you. This is a New York City property. This is how they keep it clean, y'all. And this wall right here is all New York City property. Right behind it is a bunch of cars on the other side. There's a tow pound, but this is the outside of it. And there's no real parking over here. So, look. So this is a $300 bill, but look, this guy in a fire hydrant, he got nothing. I wonder why. But look, it's money, money, money. They take a car that's over there, but they won't take a car that's right outside their building. And then you see it starts to get cleaning, y'all, but it's still horrible because nobody wants to clean. They all feel superior. Let's see where it says. 8 to 4. I don't see nothing about no filming. What? So, show y'all, look, 3 cars already this morning. It's only 9 o'clock, and those 3 guys will continue going out multiple times a day. Now, I know for a fact, there's going to be a sign, like I already see it says no video, audio recording, or photography, thanks for cooperation. But I don't believe that's law. But in New York City, this is very big. So, he said I need a reimbursement form, and I don't know, shit. How you doing? The lady inside told me to speak to you about if I had damage to a vehicle. I got told.
When was it told?
So this is about 3 weeks ago.
Whoa! Why did it take so long to come?
Well, so the car was sitting in a legitimate spot. I don't live in the neighborhood, and it just took me a while. But I didn't know there was damage to it at the time when I picked up. When I got it to the shop the next day.
You have the car here with you?
Not with me, no.
Okay, because they have to inspect it.
Okay, and what's the process as far as a form or whatever?
When you come back, you have to bring the car with you. And you're going to go inside there and you're going to tell them that you need to speak to the supervisor about a damage claim.
Okay.
You see that stop sign right there?
Yeah.
On the other side of that stop sign, there's a little booth. That's the
Supervisor?
supervisor's booth. If there's no one inside this car, or if there's no one here, when you come back to bring your car, what you need to do.
So the thing is, the car is not drivable right now. I don't have plates on it. That's why I had to remove it out with a tow truck.
That's going to be a problem. That's going to be a problem because they have to inspect it. They got to see what the damage is because they have to put all of that information in the computer.
Okay. I mean, is anyone can speak to that supervisor, see if I have to tow it here or something like that?
Yeah, you know what? Walk on this side.
On the right side of it?
Walk on the right side.
All right.
Every time you get ready to pass a truck, just make eye contact with whoever's inside.
Just let them know I'm going to the next one. Got me. Hello, is there a window? Is there a window I can speak to you at? No. All right, so I was speaking to the lady in the front. Basically, my car got damaged. I had it towed. They towed it out of here because I didn't have plates on it. The car currently still doesn't have plates. It's at a shop, but I was coming back to double check on a damage claim because the whole front bumper was ripped up. And I picked it up late at night around 9 p.m. I didn't tell them anything about it at the time. I didn't think. Who told it out? Another company, a private company. I can't hear you, sorry.
Did you see the bumper damage?
Yeah, it's a bumper damage, yeah. It's all ripped up, like the whole bottom is broken and it got pushed up. What, so it's not like noticeable to the point where it's broken, you know what I mean? Like, and it's not smashed in, it was just up. So the car is at a mechanic shop right now. Not on me, but I can bring everything back, of course. I mean, I was just passing by. I don't live in the neighborhood, so it's at a shop and it doesn't have plates on it. It doesn't have plates on it. It had a blown engine. Okay, so bring the receipt to you, and what's the process after that? Okay, all right, fine. Pretty bullshit. Oh man. So they telling me there's gonna be a problem now. So this is the funny thing, right? They let you come. I came to this facility. You can see it has NYPD on the top of it, right? So anyways, I came to this facility, and my car got illegally towed, right? And then after it got illegally towed, I checked my whole front bumper. It was like fucked up, like bad, like popped up. Where I guess the guy pushed in, grabbed the car, and then dipped. So I already got a complaint on him for that day of why he towed my vehicle, and then I had damage. So they're gonna they said they gotta inspect the vehicle, right? And then I'm like, well, you know, the vehicle's not here. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Basically, give me mad complications. They don't want me to get my money back, of course. She said she got to inspect it now. I didn't even get her name because she had me fucking screaming through a door, a little ass glass door, and the other lady was like, make sure the cops see you because red flag type shit. Some bullshit, you know, New York City, man. This shit is corrupt. But yeah, look at this, the block. All the cars in the tow yard I just came out of is behind this wall. And it's just sad, you know, because they take it, illegally take it, they illegally charge me. They charged me $300 to get my car out. It was parked on a legit spot. And I reported the driver for that. I paid $300 to get the car out. And the car is out. Now, I need a reimbursement on my bumper. Fuck that. And yeah, and I don't know, I'm getting this shit dismissed and all that. So they obviously they making me do mad shit. Oh, when you go to Girolamo, they may give you a claim form and this and that. Some bullshit. But we'll figure it out. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.